Unit conversion applications, example 3 for Math 043. For this problem, we have a 220-pound patient who is given an order of Demerol, which is 1.5 milligrams per kilogram. How many milligrams should the nurse administer? So for this, we're going to need to convert our patient weight, those pounds, into kilograms, and then we'll use that information then to go back and find out how many milligrams we're going to need. Okay, so first we're going to turn the pounds into kilograms, much like we did in our example 2 video. So let's start with our 220 pounds. I'm going to use the 1 kilogram is 2.205 pounds. Okay. And then to get my milligrams per kilogram, I'm actually going to add that as our next unit fraction, because we could write this as a conversion of 1.5 mg equals 1 kg. So for every 1 milligram, or for every 1 kilogram a person weighs, they require 1.5 milligrams of the medicine. Okay, so I would put my kilograms in the denominator, so 1 kg in the denominator, and 1.5 milligrams in the numerator. And then we would multiply. So on top we would have 220 times 1 times 1.5. And in our denominator we'd have 1 times 2.205 times 1. So multiplying by 1 isn't really going to change anything, so I don't really need those. If you don't want to put them, you don't have to. So 220 times 1.5 would be 330 over 2.205, and then we would divide that. 149.65986, and it keeps going. They didn't tell us what to round to, so I'm just going to round this to the nearest hundredth. So we would end up with 149 and 66 milligrams, because that was our last unit of Demerol. So that would be our answer for example 3.